Hi, everybody. I feel very happy to speak to you, and I feel greatly delighted because God has given me this opportunity to speak to you directly why you should consider joining VIP International Training Institute. Wherever you join, you've got to find out three things: whether that institute has produced Centum scores, whether that institute has got tie-up with IDP or British Council for IELTS preparation, whether the trainer or director of the institute is trained by the British Council or IDP as the trainer's trainer, and the background of the director or the trainer is very important as it plays a very important role, an intrinsic manifestation for a better deal. And as you will be surprised, I'm a triple postgraduate with research background. Okay, and I've been adjudged at the best faculty in Chennai by all Lions Clubs International. I've been the chief examiner for the Government of Tamil Nadu Public Examinations for English. I've been associated with the Government of Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. And it is a great delight for me to be the trainer of IELTS. And it is mind-boggling to know the Centum scores the institute has produced in the past. And if you see the splendid symphony of contrast of the clientele that we have here, which includes one of the famous doctors of Apollo Hospitals, Dr. Sriram. He was trained by VIP Institute for his IELTS training. And we have one Dr. Premanand, who was the head of critical care in Apollo Hospitals, who achieved Centum score here and who is right now in Australia as a director of a group of hospitals. And recently, one professor of International Maritime University joined this institute for his IELTS training. And he is going to join as the Vice Chancellor of International Maritime University Mauritius. Such a big man has opted for his IELTS training at my institute. And IELTS training, it is quite unique in one way or the other, because everything is important for IELTS. How you look, how you smile, how you walk, how you sit, everything is important. And the evaluation has got to be